We'll guide you through how to understand what Netlify is and how it works. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Netlify's official website, which you can easily find by searching for Netlify in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice that Netlify is a powerful platform that allows you to build, deploy, and host websites and web applications. It's particularly popular for Jamstack applications. Scroll down the page to see a summary of its features, such as the ability to deploy directly from your Git repository. This means you can connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account, and Netlify will automatically deploy your site whenever you push changes to your repository. It's a great way to maintain version control and streamline your deployment process. Next, look for their documentation or resources section. This is where you can find a wealth of information and tutorials on how to get started with Netlify, from setting up your first site to advanced configurations. If you're new to web development, check out their starter templates, which can give you a head start on your projects. An important feature of Netlify is its continuous deployment system, which automatically rebuilds and deploys your site whenever you make changes. This makes it incredibly easy to keep your site up to date with the latest changes. For those interested in adding custom domains, Netlify offers a simple way to set up domain management directly from the dashboard, including SSL certificates for added security. Additionally, Netlify's serverless functions allow you to add dynamic functionality to your static sites easily. Explore their analytics and form handling features to see how you can gather insights and manage user interactions effectively. Don't miss out on Netlify's community forums and support options if you have any questions or run into issues. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.